This video is about how to verify a YouTube channel. So this is how you do it. Use any browser, go to YouTube, then sign in with that YouTube channel that you want to verify. Once you get there, tap that red arrow or the three dots, then check desktop site mode. After doing so, then we're gonna zoom in to get a right spot where we're gonna tap a profile, your profile picture. So tap your profile picture, then eventually a menu is gonna pop up. A menu is gonna pop up after tapping your profile picture. So then tap your channel, where you see your channel, onto that menu. There you go. Tap your channel so that we can head on to so once you head to your channel, go where you see customize channel, then tap there so that we can get to the YouTube studio. This is where all the chemistry is going to be done, but we are going to go to the YouTube studio in a desktop site mode. So once you get over here, we're gonna zoom in a little bit so that we can get a clear spot. So tap the three lines icon to do expand over there, then scroll all the way down, then tap where you see settings. There you go. So once you reach over here, tap where you see channel, let me zoom in a little bit. Tap where you see channel. There you go. It's gonna load up. Wait a little bit. It's gonna load up. Tap where you see channel, then eventually tap where you see feature eligibility. So where you see intermediate, where you see where you see intermediate features, within that section next to it, just tap the drop down next to it, then scroll down, then tap verify phone number. There you go. Here is the process. Once you get over here, you can use an automated voice call, or you can use a text. So we're gonna use a text because it's a little bit easier. I've used it before, so we're gonna use a text. So get your phone number in. Get your phone number in, type it in, then tap get code. After tapping get code, they will send that code to your particular number, then put it in. You'll be done verifying your YouTube channel. Thanks for watching the video. I hope to see you next time. Thank you.